Please support my channel by clicking on this red subscribe button right below the video. Once you get subscribed to my channel, do not forget to click on this bell icon right next to it in order to get notifications about my latest videos. And last but not least, if you like this video, please click on this like button in order to show me your love. Hey guys, Shabazz here from Adam6908. I hope you guys are doing well. Now this video is going to be a little bit different compared to my previous videos because I've never shown this kind of method before. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to install Windows on your computer using your Android device. So if there is an emergency, you guys are falling short of flash drive, you guys don't have Windows installation disk, you guys can use your Android phone as a bootable flash drive to install Windows operating system on your computer. Please make sure you guys are using a rooted Android phone. If it is not rooted, this will not work because it requires a root access for your Android device. If it is not rooted, please root your Android device and then follow this process. I'll try my best to keep this video short, simple, and up to the point. Without wasting any further ado, let's get started with the video. Guys, this is the phone which we will be using in today's video. This is Samsung Galaxy S7. So first off, you're gonna have to go to Play Store and download DriveDroid. That's DriveDroid. It will give you option to open. I will open it. Now I'm on the welcome screen. I'll click next. In this page, you'll have to click on acquire root access. So once you click on acquire root access, it will give you option to deny and grant. You're gonna have to click on grant, and the right check will be here. Click on next. Configure image directory, you're gonna have to click on this and click on allow. It will come to your phone's internal storage. As you guys can see, I have already made Windows 10 image file folder here. Just to show you guys how I made that, I click on this, I'll go to my phone's internal storage, I'll click on this three dots, I'll click on new folder, and I gave it name Windows 10 image file. Let me just make different folder here, Windows 10, and I'll click on OK. I've made the folder Windows 10 right here. I'll click on select. It gave me right check, and now I'll click on next. Now it's asking me to connect my phone to my computer. I'll connect my phone to my computer. As you guys can see, it shows my phone is connected to my computer. Guys, you have to make sure before you do this, you'll have to install Samsung USB driver or else your phone's USB driver in your computer. So you'll have to download the USB driver, the setup file of USB driver of your phone into your computer and install it. So I'm good to go. I'll disconnect for now and I'll click on next. I'll go for the standard Android kernel. Let me just focus here. Yeah, I'll go for the standard Android kernel and I'll click on next. Once I click on next, it will take time to come to the next screen. I'll click on Android shows up on OS because once I connected my phone to my computer, it showed my device. I'll click on next. I'll go for the first option which says booted successfully using DriveDroid for now, and I'll click on next. Now it gave me the summary. I'll click on next. Once I click on next, it will come to the page which will show me this is the default partition which gets mounted by default when you're ready with this app. I'm gonna connect my phone to my computer just to check if that drive comes up on the screen. As you guys can see, 182 KBs here, and this is my phone's default mounted partition. If I disconnect this phone, it goes away, and if I connect this phone, that partition comes back. So now I'll disconnect this USB cable and I'll click on this plus sign and I'll click on the first option which says create a blank image. I'm gonna name it Windows 10 and I'll give it, so the size which I will allocate to this partition will be 6 GB. So okay, yeah, 6 GB it is. Let me just see a focus. Yeah, okay, so I have allocated 6 GB to this partition and I'll click on done and I'll click on this check, right check. The Windows 10.img partition is getting created, so I'll wait till the time it completes. I'll pause the video and I'll get back to this video once the partition is ready to use. So as you guys can see, 4.4 gigs partition has been created. I really don't know how the system has calculated that amount. I am going to click on this partition. Now it's giving me two options to go for: read only USB on mass storage 1, and the second is writable USB on mass storage 1. I'm going to click on writable mass storage because I want to write the Windows image file using my computer on this partition. As you guys can see, this small USB flash drive icon is now appearing on this partition. That means this partition has been mounted. Now if my calculations are right, if I connect the phone to my computer, I will get 4.4 gigs of partition space, and it will ask me to format it. As you guys can see, it's asking us to format the disk. I'll click on format, and I'll go for the NTFS partitioning method, and I'll keep this quick format box checked, and I'll click on start. I'll click on OK. It works way faster than the actual flash drive, as you guys might have noticed. I'm going to show you guys real time. It takes around 6 to 7 minutes to write the whole Windows image file onto this partition. Now you'll have to right click on Rufus, and you'll have to click on run as an administrator. Now once the Rufus opens, you'll have to click on this, select your Windows image file. I'm going to select the Windows 10 Pro 64-bit, and I'll click on OK. Now the Windows image file has been selected. Now you'll have to make sure you have selected the right storage space to make it bootable. Now GPT or MBR, it depends upon you. I'll go for MBR because it's a little bit faster. Windows 10 it is. I'll click on start now, and I'll click on OK. Now it is writing an image file on my phone's internal storage. Notice the time which shows right here, and I'll be back once the process completes 100%. So guys, it completed the process. As you can see, it's 3:18 now. So I stopped at 3:15 and it's 3:18. It was 3:18 when it completed the process. It took around approximately 4 minutes to complete the whole process. You guys can figure out how fast this thing works. My phone is ready to get used. Now I'm going to restart the computer, and I'm going to try booting my computer using my phone. So yeah, let's go and check how it works. So guys, the computer is shut down. I'll have to connect my device to my computer now. First off, I'm going to have to make sure that my device is unlocked, because if my device is not unlocked, it will not give the access to its internal storage. So I'll have to connect my device first. I'll have to first unlock the device and then connect my device to my computer. I'll turn on the computer, and I'll go to my boot device or boot disk utility, or else boot device option or boot device menu, whatever. I'm gonna tap F8 button to come to this boot device menu, or else boot device option. As you guys can see, Samsung 4.5 GB here. So my device is connected to my computer. I'm going to disconnect the device, and I'll restart the computer. I'm going to keep on tapping the F8 button to go to the boot devices option. And now, as you guys can see, the Samsung option disappeared because I have disconnected my phone. Again, I'm going to connect my phone, and I'll again come to the boot device menu. And as you guys can see, we have Samsung here. This is my phone. So I'll press enter. As you guys can see, the phone is connected to my computer. I'll press enter, and it will boot into Windows Setup Utility. So this is it, guys. As you can see, I am into my Windows Setup Utility. I'll go next. I'll click install, and it's taking a while to come to the main screen. I'll click on I accept license terms, and I'll click on next. I'll click on install Windows. As you guys can see, this is the partition. This is the 1 TB partition which is connected to my computer. This is my 1 terabyte main storage, the Western Digital hard drive, and this is my main storage wherein I store things. So I'm going to close this page. This means it's working. So I'll close this page and click on yes. I really don't want to mess with my main storage. I'll come to the main screen again. And again, this phone is connected to my computer. I'm going to disconnect the phone, and I'll click on F8. I'll tap on F8. As you guys can see, only my Western Digital drive shows up on the screen. So that's it, guys. I'm going to now show you guys how to undo things. So I'll connect my Windows hard disk to my computer. I'll boot into my Windows operating system. Now I'm going to show you guys how to get things into normal. As you guys can see, if I connect my phone to my computer, it will show Windows 10 here. So in order to get rid of this, you first have to right click on this drive, and you're going to have to click on format. And you have to click on start, and you'll have to click on OK. First, you're going to have to format this drive. Once you have formatted this drive, you're going to have to click on OK. and then you're gonna have to click on close. So now the drive has been formatted. If I disconnect my phone and if I reconnect my phone, that drive will still come up on the screen. You're gonna have to go to our DriveDroid and we'll have to click on this and we'll have to click on eject. This partition has been ejected. Now you have to press this Windows 10.img and you have to click on delete image, and you'll have to click on delete, and it will delete the image file. And again, you have to click on this one and you have to delete this one too. You have to click on delete, and the image files from DriveDroid have been deleted. Now you'll have to go back and you'll have to connect your phone to your computer. And as you guys can see, it shows Samsung Galaxy S7, and if I go in here, it will give me option to allow. I click on allow, and again I'll have to go here and click on Samsung Galaxy S7, and I'm back to normal now. As you guys can see, this is my phone's internal storage. So that's how you get things to normal. So that's it guys, that's how you install Windows on your computer using your Android phone. I hope this video will help you guys. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you guys haven't subscribed for my channel yet, you guys can click on the red subscribe button right below this video to support my channel. Again, thanks a lot guys for watching this video. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.